Sending TOEFL Scores, a step-by-step guide. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for many of you who've taken the TOEFL exam: how to send TOEFL scores to institutions. If you've taken the test and now you're wondering how to share those results, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we dive into the process, it's essential to understand why you'd want to send your TOEFL scores to institutions. Admission requirements. Many universities worldwide require the TOEFL score as proof of English proficiency for non-native speakers. Scholarship opportunities. Some scholarships might ask for your TOEFL score as part of the application. Job applications. Some employers may want to see your TOEFL score, especially if the job requires a high level of English proficiency. Before you send your scores, you need a few things. 1. Your TOEFL registration number. This is crucial. It's how the system identifies you and your scores. 2. The institution code. Each university or institution has a unique code. Make sure you have the right one. 3. A credit or debit card. There might be fees associated with sending scores, especially if you're sending them to multiple institutions or after the free period has ended. Now, let's discuss the actual process. 1. Log into your TOEFL account. Head to the official TOEFL website and sign in. 2. Locate the Send Scores option. This should be easily visible in your dashboard. 3. Enter institution code. As mentioned before, each institution will have its unique code. 4. Confirm the details. Before finalizing, double-check all the details to ensure there are no errors. 5. Make payment, if necessary. If there are fees associated with sending your scores, this is where you'd make the payment. 6. Receive a confirmation. Once your scores are sent, you'll receive a confirmation message. Keep this for your records. After sending your scores. 1. Wait patiently. Institutions can take a few weeks to process scores. Don't panic if you don't get an immediate acknowledgement. 2. Contact the institution. If it's been a while and you haven't heard back, it might be a good idea to contact the institution directly. 3. Prepare for the next steps. If you're applying to a university, keep track of other application requirements and deadlines. Sending your TOEFL scores is a crucial step after taking the exam. It might seem daunting, but with the right information, it's straightforward. We hope this guide has been helpful to you, and we wish you the best of luck in your English learning journey and future endeavors. Cheers!